Hey guys, come join us with our Tesla Powerwall journey. Our first step is to take the old oil tank out of the basement. The Kubota tractor definitely makes this task a lot easier. Dad has a lot of knowledge and experience, and we really appreciate all of his help.
Okay, so it's going to start coming a little bit.
So this is the only way I knew how to hook on. Probably wasn't the best way. So you're gonna see soon where Dad comes and hooks it up. We're trying to take the oil tank out here, and unfortunately we hit the line on the bottom, the faucet that comes out. So we actually had to push it back because it drove right into the cement stair.
Back a little.
Lots of patience on this job. Here you can see Dad came down off the tractor and wrapped that chain up and made sure it wasn't coming off. Check it out.
All good.
Awesome. We finally got it out. It's all strapped on the tractor and ready to move. Just putting it over here for pickup. And one more task before this project is ready to get started with the Tesla Powerwalls. We need to remove the oil stove from the basement. So a little bit of an easier task. And here Dad is wrapping the strap up in a really neat way to keep it all nice and neat and tidy. And he wrapped it up, and then he wrap, and boom, there you go. And clearly, as you can see, this was a lot faster than taking the oil tank out of the basement. And that's it. We are now ready for the next step of our journey, installing the Tesla Powerwalls. I hope you'll join us on that journey, and so you don't miss it, please subscribe, like, and share.